Our journey into hydroponics wouldn't be complete without trying the AeroGarden. We decided to go with the Harvest. The Harvest. It holds 6 pods. Let's see what's in the box. This just came from Amazon. It was on sale currently from the buyer I got it from. I'll put the link below if you're interested in getting one. But let's see. I've forgotten my cover. You need to stop doing that. Okay, let's see what's in the box. I'm not familiar with this. I don't own one yet. This is my first time with an AeroGarden. Right up top, we have a booklet. Oh, look, it comes with a recipe. Oh, that's so cool. And a pesto recipe. And the quick setup guide. What's this? Oh, this must be my seeds. So this kit comes complete with the herbs. I actually had wanted the salad green, but the kit doesn't come with it. You'd have to order that separately. So this is the Gourmet Herb Set. It has basil, dill, mint, thyme, curly parsley, and Thai basil. So I'm actually interested in this. We will grow it starting with these. And maybe later on I'll get the lettuce kit. Now my understanding is this doesn't go super, super high, so to combat that, you're going to need to keep your plants trimmed. There's no up or down on this. It's pretty compact. I actually thought it would be a little bigger. I'm not disappointed though, because this is going to fit nicely on my countertop in my kitchen. The USB plug adapter. USB plug. Hopefully it comes with more than USB. I can get an adapter anyway. Oops. There we go. Everything is taped down and secure. You can see I'm going to need to do a little untaping. One of the other reasons that I chose this model is I can get a seed starter kit, and it has a lot more holes, and it's just the insert. So it goes in the system, and instead of this insert, you would put it in and it holds a lot more. So let's take a look here. Yeah, so we've got our little pump. The light on the back has, I guess I just push it to go up and down. Yep, locks in place. That's as high as it goes. It's actually, you know what, that's pretty high. Okay, I'm impressed. And this sits right there. This is to refill. Okay, oh, that's cool. Okay, so if I want to take it out and clean it, check this out. It's got a you know, the little plug. This is for the pump. And let's say I want to clean this. Look, it comes off the stand. That's cool. And on the stand, we have an indicator to add plant food, an add water indicator, and the light on and off indicator. It doesn't have a timer. Some of the more fancy ones do, but that's okay. Let's see, get it plugged back in. Let's take a look at the plug, the power adapter. Oh, it does plug into a wall, so that's super happy. That's super happy, yeah. That makes me super happy. I bet it'll make you happy too. It is not a USB adapter. Oh, it says US power. Look, I am blind. It's not USB, it's US power adapter. So let's check out how long this cord is. I didn't read the instructions to see. It looks really long. I'm going to be fairly close to my outlet, but you could be, oops, let's not get, oh my goodness, this is a lot of cord. Yeah, you can be quite far away and still plug your unit into the wall. That's more than adequate. Okay, let's check the seed pod kit. Easy to grow, 6-pod kit. And I have 6 pods, so you can see on the side, and it has a little opening. And here is what comes in it. Your little instruction booklet. These are pre-seeded, so this is mint, and it has little caps that come with it. If I can get them apart. There's one for each, and they sit right on top while your seeds are germinating. So it kind of creates a little, I don't know, a little bubble to keep your seed good anyway. And it comes with a container of liquid plant food. So this says 6 to 7 pods, use 2 capfuls. Super easy. So I'm going to get this set up, and maybe I'll do a video of it going when I first set it up so you can hear how loud it is. And then we'll come back to a later video and see how things are growing. Awesome. So thank you for joining me. Subscribe and like below. I really appreciate it. And if you're looking to get this model, which is currently on sale on Amazon, this is August 2022, check out the link below.